Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks. This is a 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. 35,000 original miles, black with a silver stripe on the exterior, black tuxedo top with that crown band. It does have pretty much every chrome option you could get for 2019 with the BNC pillar chrome along with the rear load door chrome. Popping into this number 2 door on the passenger side, once again, fully composite number 2 door. This is a Platinum, we got to take in mind when we look at this vehicle. It does have a Burl, XTS Burl floor in it with a light gray interior. Does have that flip up door as well. Gives you that flexibility to either store the church truck horizontally or vertically, as you've heard me say about 1,000 times at this point. Lower umbrella storage tucked away in the front. It's just a really nice organizer if you want to separate something from the larger compartment in the rear underneath the casket floor. Does have two 10-pin fixed beer pin plates up front with a fixed set of beer pins. On the load door here, on the number 2 door here, you do also have 2 chrome nameplate holders that are mirrored on the other side. Gray drapes throughout. Overall, this Platinum is in actually really nice shape. Once again, it's the last year of an XTS body style. Gives you that facelift, both front and rear, along with that new radio, which everyone seems to love versus the 16 radio. Built-in urn carrier in the rear. Very large, very generous size. Does fit about 95% of the urns on the market. And it also has the quick folding up and down urn stanchions. They do stand up. It's just very cold right now inside here, so bear with me. You do have a quick adjust beer pin on the far right here as well with the button on top and the beautiful Platinum badging on it as well. Overall, this casket floor is in actually really nice shape for being a gloss finish on this floor. 10 rollers down the center, two fixed plates up front, along with 3 plates down the center. 2 90-degree rollers to greet you at the rear of the coach, along with a snap-in bifold carpet so you can pull that in or out. All this is going to end up being fixed. It just ends up dying back over the life of the coach, but we will replace this. It's a known issue for 19s. Backup camera located down underneath the light here with a reverse light that does illuminate when you open that rear load door. Beautiful embroidery on the rear load door. Once again, this is a composite door like the number 2 doors, and here's that rear load door chrome as I mentioned. So pretty much every chrome option you can get is outfitted on this coach. Very nice Landau bar from Platinum Coach, embossed into the top. That's why they pride themselves on having one of the higher end coaches on the market. On this side, you're mirrored from the passenger side. So flip up door, you do get a full-size spare along with the jack and tool kit that's in a nice leather bag on the right. Overall, the sill plate on both sides are in really nice shape. Platinum does a nice job of making their own sill plate here that says the Platinum name in it. Just a little way to class it up, along with some embroidery on the door card and those 2 chrome nameplate holders as I mentioned on the passenger side. Working your way to the driver's compartment, it is complete black leather with a black leather wrap dash. Please ignore the door chime as the keys are in the vehicle. Let's jump inside and take a peek. Sitting inside this 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix, once again 35,000 original miles. You have a black leather wrapped steering wheel, power adjust tilt-in telescoping column, automatic headlights, cruise control on this vehicle along with media controls on the steering wheel. You do also have paddle shifters behind the wheel. Push to start with a key fob, so it is a keyless entry vehicle. You do also get remote start on the key fob as well. Touchscreen infotainment, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth to make both phone calls and play music, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It is wired, but what's nice is right behind the radio right here, you do have a USB in the back right-hand corner. Along with a wireless charging pad inside here so you can plug right in. And you also have the flexibility of having a USB-C and a USB Type-A located down the glove box. So you do have plenty of spaces to be able to plug your phone in so you can take full advantage of that Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Dual zone climate control up on the dash right here. It is a center column shift along with 2 cup holders, and you do have a 12-volt cigarette lighter located down behind there. That gives you the flexibility if you want to add some sort of add-on navigation device that sits on the dash or a dash cam. Overall, black leather seats, both the driver and the passenger, fully powered, so both forward, back, up and down, and tilt. This vehicle is pre-wired for strobes. It does not have strobes included with the vehicle, but the wiring is already there. So if you want to add them, it just makes it easier on the install process. That switch is located up top here. If they did have strobes, you'd be able to toggle this on and off, and the strobes will illuminate. Overall, with 35,000 miles and being the last year of an XTS, this vehicle is in absolutely fantastic shape. Thank you very much for joining me on this 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. Once again, black with a silver stripe, 35,000 miles, front wheel drive, and that beautiful XTS Burl rear casket floor with the built-in urn carrier. If you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, please give me a call at 800-229-5008. You'll speak with Christina at our front desk and you can ask for one of our salesmen. Or you can visit parkspeeder.com to see 80 plus photos of this vehicle, a walk around demo, and this beautiful demo right here. As I always say, thank you very much and I'll catch you in the next car.